Good morning, students. Today's lesson volleyball history. In 1916, volleyball had arrived in YMCA, Brazil, and South America. The set and spike were first used in Philippines. This offensive system altered how the game was played. The ball would now be set in a high in the air and then spiked by the teammate. The first US Open was stacked and the field was open to non-YMCA squads. The United States Volleyball Association USVBA was formed in 1928. Skills. In this presentation, you will learn how to do the forearm pass, overhead pass, serve, spike, block. Equipment. Ball made of leather or synthetic leather have a circumference of 65 to 67 centimeter, a weight of 260 to 280 gram, and an inside pressure of 0.30 to 0.325 grams and centimeter square. Net. 1 meter wide net placed so that the top of the net is 2.43 meters for men's competition and 2.24 meters for women's competition. The serve. Server must serve from behind the retaining line. Ball may be served underhand or overhand. Ball must be clearly visible to opponents before serve. Served ball may graze the net and drop to the other side for a point. First game serve is determined by a volley. Each subsequent game shall be served by the previous game loser. Serve must be returned by a bump only. No setting or attacking a serve. Rotation. Team will rotate one position each time they win the serve. Players rotate in a clockwise manner. See rotation diagram. There shall be 4 to 6 players on each side. Basic violations. Stepping on or over the line on a serve. Failure to serve the ball over the net successfully. Hitting the ball illegally. Carrying, palming, throwing, etc. Touching the net with any part of your body while the ball is in play. Reaching over the net except in these conditions. When executing follow through, when blocking a ball which is in the opponent's court but is being returned. Block cannot contact the ball until after the opponent attempting to return the ball makes contact. Reaching under the net. Failure to serve in the correct order. Blocks or spikes from a position in which is clearly not behind the 10-foot line while in the back row position. Scoring. Really, scoring will be used. There will be a point scored on every score of the ball. Offense will score on a defensive miss or out of bounds hit. Defense will score an offensive miss, out of bounds hit, or a serve into the net. Game will be played to 25 points. Must win by 2 points. Basic rules. 2 teams of 6 players separated by a net. Players may touch the ball 3 times. Matches are best of 5. Volleyball in Brazil. Men's competition. Olympic Games. 1984 Los Angeles second place. 1992 Barcelona first place. 2004 Athens first place. 2008 Beijing second place. World League new titles. Volleyball in Brazil women's competition. Olympic Games. 1996 Atlanta third place. 2000 Sydney third place. 2008 Beijing first place. World Grand Prix 8 titles. Volleyball fouls. Touch or go over the line where you serve. Touch the net. Carry the ball. Double hit. Overlapping. You can cross the net line so long as your foot is touching the line. Backline player cannot jump in front of the attack line. They, however, can jump behind it and land in front. You have to be inside the line when any person is serving. If touching the line, that is a foul. Blocker, when blocking, cannot have hand on other side. If ball is not on their side. Game play. Maximum of 3 hits per side. Player may not hit the ball twice in succession. Ball may be played off the net during a volley and on a serve. A ball touching a boundary line is good. A legal hit is contact with a ball by a player's body and including the waist, which does not allow the ball to visibly come to a rest. If 2 or more players contact the ball simultaneously, it is considered one play and the players involved may not participate in the next play. A player must not block or attack a serve. Switching position will be allowed strictly for frontline players.
Thank you, children. Stay safe, stay home. See you in next class. Bye bye.